We have here a kid knife set for your kitchen. It comes with 2 whole sets, so 2 kids can work with you, and it comes with a 3rd cutting board so a parent can do it with you. These knives are kid safe. They don't have a sharp edge on it, so it's not going to cut your child when they're practicing, but they're going to be strong enough to cut through your fruits and vegetables. This is really nice because you can do it with your child or they can do it by themselves. You can teach them how to do things on their own in the kitchen, which is really nice, and you don't have to worry about them cutting themselves or hurting themselves as they do it. Good job. Now go to this one. Good job. Now come to this one. Push a little harder. Good job. Come to this one. This one's really fun. It has a handle and you can do soft objects. I have cheese here. You could do like bananas or other soft items, and it just goes right through it. Good job.
You're doing great too.
These are like little punches. So I have some cheese here. You can just punch it. And to get the cheese out, you just pop this open and you can push it out. And they're super, super cute. So then I'm going to try a strawberry next. You can see it's going to be really cute. And push it through. They make fun shapes. And then you can push it. Yep, it's super cute. You do another one. This knife set for kids is amazing. You get a lot for what you pay for. It's a great set, has many different items. It's really easy for kids to use and to practice on and to learn with, so I'd recommend it to anyone that wants a really fun knife set to learn with. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Would you like to use them again?
Yes.
So it's a great item for kids.